I kept seeing people say you can make floor plans with ChatGPT, so I tested it. It can't generate floor plans, but the problems start when you try to change anything. I gave it a basic brief: one bedroom apartment, open living and kitchen, and bathroom in the corner. And at first glance, it actually looks okay. But then a few problems became very obvious. There's no clear entry door, the bathroom is blocked by a wall and a closet, and the wardrobe doesn't really connect to the bedroom at all, so not exactly usable. So I told it what was wrong. I asked for a proper entry, a usable bathroom, and bedroom layout that made sense. Some things did improve. This time there is a clear entry, and the bedroom isn't blocked or placed in a way that causes issues. But new problems show up. A hallway appears that I didn't ask for, and there's also a walk-in closet that wasn't part of the brief. And this extra room with windows but no door. And the bathroom is still unusable. Okay, so I tried again, and this time I got super specific. No hallways, straight walls only, and every room has to open directly into the living room. It took longer this time, and the results were more functional. The rooms were placed where I asked, and everything was accessible. But I still had some issues, like the laundry appliance blocked by the sink. And then I tried the real test, making small edits. I asked to rotate the living room, move the sofa, adjust the kitchen, and fix the bathroom layout. Some instructions stuck. The TV did move, but others didn't. The sofa stayed where it was, but now it faced the wrong direction. In the bathroom, the sink disappeared and a closet showed up. At that point, I just thought I'll remove the guesswork and draw the layout myself. Then I asked ChatGPT to turn it into a digital floor plan. The measurements were off from the start. It guessed the top wall length and changed the entire shape of the plan. The bathroom was the biggest issue. There was only 2 bathrooms with a laundry room in between. That one surprised me. The kitchen didn't match the drawing either, and the wall floated between the kitchen and the living room. So I explained what was wrong and asked it to be fixed. I clearly asked it to keep the outer walls the same so the overall shape of the plan stayed rectangular. Instead, the bottom bathroom was removed, and the overall shape still changed. I also asked it to remove the wall between the kitchen and the living room, and only a part of it was removed. So I tried again to ask it to go back to the original shape of the drawing, but it got stuck and kept giving me the same floor plan. So then I tried the most realistic test, editing the same plan. I chose one it had already generated in 3D. Initially, it actually looks pretty good. But when I looked closer, things had changed again. The bed was rotated, the bathroom was missing a toilet, and a wall appeared around the laundry appliances. To keep things simple, I just focused on one room, the bedroom. I asked it to rotate the bed and add a desk along the wall. The desk showed up, but not where I asked. The bed didn't move at all, and the window disappeared. Then I tried changing just the style. No layout changes. I asked for a mid-century modern palette and an industrial one. The colors and finishes looked convincing, but small layout details changed anyway. Dining chairs disappeared, appliance sizes changed, a new texture showed up that I didn't ask for. Finally, I tried a few simple furniture changes, just to see how it would handle them. I asked to swap the dining table, rotate the living room, and replace the bathtub with a shower. Some changes worked. The table was replaced. Others didn't. The living room didn't rotate, and the sofa actually lost a seat. The bathroom did change, just not into a shower. And this wasn't a one-off. This happened every time I tried to adjust something. Floor plans are a process. You don't just make one version. You keep adjusting it. And with ChatGPT, every change risks affecting something else. With floor plan software, you're always working on the same layout. Walls stay put, furniture stays where you placed it, and switching between 2D and 3D doesn't restart the whole plan. ChatGPT is great for inspiration, but if you need a floor plan you can actually work with, software makes way more sense. And if you want to see how we create floor plans, you can check out some of our other videos. I'm still not over the 2 bathrooms.